Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SOS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the steep downwards trend on this one continues, and updates here definitely need to be made after today's price movement. First update is just based on a very basic, pretty much one of those rules where even if you have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of this rule. And the rule states that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into the day, if you watch previous videos, talked about that $6.60 mark being an area of support. But then when the price ultimately broke down below it, you can see, try to give one more gasp effort right there, and just couldn't quite build up any sort of momentum to stay above that level, and then back down it went. But I'm not saying, so don't get me wrong, that 660 can never be broken and the price will never be able to get back above there. I'm not saying that at all. All I'm saying is that if the price does try to consolidate out here and then turn itself around and work its way back upwards, that 660 mark is definitely the big question mark point, in the sense of not necessarily can the price get back up to it, but more importantly, can the price actually break through it and then stay up above it. So keep a close eye on that 660 mark moving forward. That'll be that important level to watch very closely. If the price does continue on down, well, you now have this next level right there at $6.30. Price got somewhat close to it right there. Didn't hit it exactly, but point being, good to see that the price was actually able to stay above that area, as opposed to having the price break down through 660 and then breaking down through 630. That would have added, certainly another big bearish component to things. Now, if the price does break down through 630, I do want to get one more area of support mapped out just in case. And after 630, the next key level to watch very closely would be down there at 605. So those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.